Today we are going to make a very quick and easy recipe that you can make for breakfast or dinner. To make this egg paratha, we need these ingredients. First we need to mix salt with flour and then make a dough by gradually adding hot water. We don't need to knead this dough a lot, but it should not be a sticky one. When the dough is ready, apply oil in a bowl and the dough and cover it and keep around 10 minutes. Until the dough gets ready, let's make the egg mixture. For that, add curry leaves, tomatoes, green chilies and onions into eggs. To the same mixture, we need to add chili pieces, salt and pepper powder. After that, combine all of them together. After 10 minutes, get the dough and knead it around 2 more minutes. Now let's keep this dough on a flour dusted cutting board and cut this dough into 4 equal parts. Out of these pieces, we can make 4 balls. Get one ball, keep it on the board and flat it well by using a rolling pin. Now we need to apply some oil on this and dust some flour. Instead of oil, you can use some melted butter or ghee. Then roll it like this, again apply oil, dust with flour and again roll it. Repeat this process for all balls. After that, we can get one ball and flat it into a round paratha shape. Now we need to keep a non-stick pan on the stove and cook our parathas in it. First keep one paratha and cook one side around 1 minute and then flip it. On this side, brush oil or butter and cook more. While cooking, we need to press this paratha from the corners. Time to time, apply oil on both sides and cook until paratha becomes golden brown. When all parathas are ready, we can again brush oil in the pan and pour 1/4 of the egg mixture into this. On top of this egg omelette, place 1 cooked paratha and press it. When paratha sticks with the egg omelette, we can get it out of the pan. This is a very quick and delicious recipe that you can make anytime. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon.